List of Indian states and their languages: Andhra Pradesh Telugu, Arunachal Pradesh Adi and Nishi, Assam Assami, Bihar Hindi, Angika and Maithili, Chhattisgarh Hindi and Chhattisgarhi, Goa Konkani, Gujarat Gujarati, Haryana Hindi, Nagaland English, Jammu and Kashmir Kashmiri, Jharkhand Hindi, Karnataka Kannada, Kerala Malayalam, Madhya Pradesh Hindi, Maharashtra Marathi, Manipur Manipuri, Meghalaya Khasi and English, Mizoram Mizo and English, Himachal Pradesh Hindi and Pahari, Odisha Oriya, Punjab Punjabi, Rajasthan Hindi and Rajasthani, Sikkim Nepali, Tamil Nadu Tamil, Tripura